Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. So we have 4x squared minus 36y squared as our given. But remember, that the factored form of a polynomial, that is the difference of two squares, is the sum and difference of the square roots of the first and last terms. Let 4x squared, our first term, and 36y squared as our last term. So we need to find the square root of 4x squared, which is 2x. And we need to find the square root of the last term, which is 36y squared, and we will get 6y. To write their factors, write the product of the sum and difference of the square roots of 4x squared minus 36y squared. And that is 2x plus 6y times 2x minus 6y.